Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carmen. In this video, I am just going to be unboxing this box here full of succulent rosettes. And this is from Crest Gardens, and I am really excited about this. So in the ordering thing, it said it could be anywhere from 20 to 30 rosettes. I'm hoping that I get 30. By the way, all these are hardy succulents. So they'll do well in the fall and winter. And even when they frost, they won't die. So I've seen this on other people's YouTube videos. This comes with a little book, how to care for it, shipping and all that stuff information. So pretty much how to care for it. Okay. This is my favorite part. I'm taking this out. Oh, I shouldn't have put that there. Anyway. So this is the freebie plant that I got. Wow, this is pretty. Bonus mystery succulent. But it doesn't have a name. That's cute. I brought this, guys, so I can go like this. Because it's got dirt on it. Wow, did I just take off that fuzzy stuff? Anyway, that's that one. And I also heard that you can keep this packaging and put it in the bottom of your pots. If you don't have like enough dirt, you can use that. And I did actually, I used it already. Okay, so now here's the 20 to 30 rosettes. I hope this video is coming out good. Whoa, this looks creepy. Uy, this looks scary. So all these are hardy. All these will survive the winter, up to minus 10 degrees. Whoa, wow, they're heavy. And they don't come with roots, so this has to root. There's that one. Oh my God, look how pretty that is. It's purple inside. Wow, this one has little babies. Yeah, I feel like they're all the same. I mean, hey, don't get me wrong. I want my plants to live, you know? So I'll be right back. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put them on dirt right away. So, the lighting isn't that good, and I apologize in advance, but my ring light is downstairs. But you can get the gist of it, right? Oh, these are baby ones right here. A baby right here. They're super cute. So I'm gonna leave it in here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in here for like a couple of weeks. And then I'm gonna make an update. I'm gonna put the date here. And then I'll do an update video, I would say maybe like in a month, to see if it roots. Because there's no roots in any of these things. No roots at all. They're called rosettes. So, I hope you like this video. Nothing crazy. Another plant with me video. Love you guys. Bye.